everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new Born to Run collection from Urban Decay. They were nice enough to send me a PR package. Their packaging is always nice. On the inside, you have 3 eye pencils, the 24/7 eye pencils. You have the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. You also have 3 of their Vice lipsticks. I'm not quite sure if these are limited edition just with these this collection, or if it's going to join the rest of them. I'll leave it down below when I find out, but they do have beautiful packaging. It has just pictures of different places around the world, so very, very nice. And of course the palette itself, and the look that I am wearing right now, I used the palette to achieve this look. So this is what the palette looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, their packaging is always very nice. It's like a magnet type closure here. They have a very, very large mirror. So that's a great way to take up some of this space. I hate when a palette has all of that space and no mirror. And on the inside, you have 21 shades. Absolutely beautiful. I swatched all of them. If you follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, I swatched every last one of these shades. I'm going to put a clip of the swatches here if I can. Hopefully I can save those snaps before they disappear. But yes, I swatched all 21 shades. Beautiful. The pigmentation is very, very nice for all of them. I used on my lids today Hell Ride. That's the color right here. I also used this beautiful pink. It's called Wild Heart. I used a gorgeous purple inside called Guilt Trip. I used the color Riff all over the lid as kind of like a transition color as well. And the shade Stranded. And now I've dug into a shadow by mistake. I always make a mistake here. But this gold color here, Stranded, I use that as a brow bone highlight. True to fashion, all of Urban Decay's eyeshadows are very, very creamy, very pigmented. The black, which is Jet in the palette I'm seeing now, I thought it was a very, very like deep, dark, just jet black because it's named Jet. But now that I'm reading, it says it's a black with deep shimmering purple shift. So it's not a true black, and that explains a lot, because I was going to say that the black was the only shade that kind of disappointed me. On the swatches on the finger, the black, the color Jet looks very, very dark, but on the eyes, it didn't translate so, you know, so deep. But now I understand there is a purple shift in it, and I can see it a little bit better in this lighting. Okay. So that was the only one that I was a little iffy about. I said, oh man, I really thought that was going to be a nice dark deep black. But now, you know, reading is fundamental. It shows me that this black does have a little bit of a purple shift in it. Almost like a, well, it says shimmering. It's almost like a duochrome purple in it that you can see when you move your hand around. So that explains a lot. Before I forget, I used the shade Ready and the shade Marfa on my lips today. So you will see that in the tutorial. The other lip shade is a nude shade. It's called 66. And like I said, I did swatch all of these on my Instagram, but I'll give you a swatch here of the nude lipstick. I think it's going to be a beautiful nude for all skin tones. And I know for a fact my swatches of the lipstick and the eye pencils are gone. I forgot to save those. Everything else was absolutely creamy and nice. There are going to possibly be lots of tutorials using this palette. So I hope that you guys will come back and join me for a few more looks. So right now I'm going to go ahead to the makeup tutorials. Please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and comment down below.